In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Campaign Monitor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to preview your campaign in your own inbox so you can catch layout issues, broken links, or typos before sending to your list. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Campaign Monitor. This is the quickest way to get there if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results load, look for the official Campaign Monitor website. Double-check the domain to make sure you're on the legitimate site before proceeding. Once you're on the home page, click Login. Enter your credentials and complete any authentication prompts you might see. If you manage multiple client accounts or sub-accounts, choose the one that contains the campaign you want to test so you land on the correct dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the Campaigns section. You'll usually find this in the main navigation. This area lists all your draft and scheduled campaigns, making it easy to find what you're working on. Select the campaign you want to test. If you have several drafts, open the specific email you're preparing to send. Take a moment to confirm the subject line, preview text, and key content are in place. This quick check helps ensure your test reflects the latest version. Inside the campaign, look for the option to send a test. Depending on your layout, it may appear as Send a Test or under a Preview or Testing menu. Click that option to open the Test Send window. This is where you control who receives the preview. Add the email address you want to send the test to. Start with your own inbox so you can verify everything firsthand. If you plan to loop in a colleague or two, you can add additional addresses as allowed. Keep the list small so feedback stays focused. Carefully check for typos in the addresses to avoid bounces. If your message includes personalization, make sure your fallback text is sensible, since some test sends may not pull real subscriber data. When you're ready, click Send. Give it a moment, then open your inbox and look for the test. If it doesn't arrive right away, check promotions, updates, or spam folders. Review the email on both desktop and mobile if possible. Confirm the subject and preview text read well, images display correctly, and every link points to the right place. If anything looks off, return to the campaign, make your edits, and repeat the same test send process until it's perfect. That's it. You've just sent a test email in Campaign Monitor and confirmed everything is ready for launch. Thanks for watching and happy sending.